Hi everyone, we are Group 9 from the subject IoT. I'm Tu Min Hui, and my group member is Yongjin Wei. Our title today is PBL3, Device Management Platform. After the settings in Raspberry Pi Imager did the writing and verifying process, we removed the SD card from the reader and inserted it into Raspberry Pi 0W. When the Raspberry Pi is connected to Wi-Fi, we get the IP address and hostname of the Raspberry Pi. After configuring the PuTTY show login as, we type the username and password that we set before in Raspberry Pi Imager. In the PuTTY show Jinwei at Raspberry Pi :s, we type ifconfig. The screen then displays Jinwei at Raspberry Pi :s. Again, we type sudo apt upgrade and sudo apt update to update our package list. The screen then displays Jinwei at Raspberry Pi :s again. We type sudo apt install python 3 pip python 3 dev to install Python packages and tools needed. We also type sudo apt install build essential to install build essential that we don't have. Next, we use pip3 install Adafruit DHT to install the Adafruit DHT library. Since the Raspberry Pi says externally managed environment, an error occurs. We install the required system packages, which are sudo apt update and sudo apt install python 3 pip python 3 dev. Then install Adafruit DHT properly with pip, but use --break system packages, so the command becomes pip install Adafruit DHT --break system packages. Next, we use pip3 install blink library to install the blink library. Since the Raspberry Pi says externally managed environment, an error occurs. We install the required system packages, which are pip install blink library, break system packages. Since there is no blink library inside, we type git clone https github.com v Shymansky y blink library python.git to get the library. After that, we get to run the project in the blink library, which the command from Jinwei at Raspberry Pi : added to Jinwei at Raspberry Pi /blink library python s. Inside blink library python, we type sudo python 3 setup pi install. Since there are no files, we try an error with other commands until the command sudo python 3 setup.py install gets us the file successfully. Then we type sudo raspi-config to connect to the VNC viewer. Then, the page turns to the Raspberry Pi software configuration tool page. After we select 3 interface options and i3 VNC, the real VNC viewer page appears. We type the username and password for authentication. The Raspberry Pi page has been shown. We insert the coding that we had generated in the Thani program. After all the things set up are done in the real VNC viewer, we set up Blink for Raspberry Pi. At the Devices page, we click plus New Device to add the related project. In the web dashboard, we drag 2 gauges from the widget box. Then, we edit the names for these 2 gauges to temperature and humidity. After we insert the coding into the Thani program, we run the coding. The result will show Blink logo. It means the coding is corrected. When the coding is correct, the results have been shown. We open the Blink application to show that the results from Thani are synchronized with the data shown in the Blink application. Data in Blink application and results in Thani program